This is the Honor 70, the latest addition to the growing family ng Honor Philippines, and this is their latest and probably one of their greatest phones.
This is a slim device, and yung back panel niya, this one is so gorgeous. The white crystal colorway is probably the one to pick sa mga colorways na i-release ni Honor 70. It looks really premium. Yung ganitong klaseng design ng camera modules na symmetric yung sizes ng lenses, or at least yung camera modules na dalawang bilog performance. So this one is equipped with a Snapdragon 778G Plus benchmark. Maasahan nyo pa rin na abot to ng over 500,000 Antutu benchmark points. That's really good for a mid-range device. This is a good chipset, and you will enjoy your time whether you're gaming on this or whether you're just gonna use this for regular use. Kung gagamitin mo lang to for Facebook, TikTok, social media apps, and whatnot, goods na goods itong chipset na to. Honestly, hindi ka makukulangan sa performance nito, and you can definitely rely na maganda pa rin yung performance ng Honor 70 after several years na paggamit mo. This one is using the Magic 6 UI na very smooth so far, and wala akong experience na bugs. Even though this is a custom UI on top of Android 12, wala talaga akong na-experience na pagka mabigat ng UI na to. Yung OLED display niya, again, 6.67 inches, 120 Hz, and yes, napaganda po ng display nito. Very vivid and vibrant, and sharp yung images na makikita mo dito. Sony IMX800. This is the first Sony IMX800 on a phone, I believe, or at least ito yung pinakaunang Sony IMX800 na experience ko. And so far, so good. Meron tong 4,800 mAh na battery capacity and 66 watts of fast charging, which means pwede kang mag-charge from 0 to 100% in under 50 minutes. This is a very slim phone. Pag nahawakan nyo in your hands, it feels so premium. You wouldn't think that this is a mid-range device, and yung back panel niya, it looks so classy, elegant, na para siyang expensive phone.